Here we have a short cycling York unit. I can feel the heat coming out of the top of the unit. That is hot. Impressive. Yeah, that coil is very warm too. It can't be very good for it. These are a few commercial York units. Here it does not sound very heavy. I wouldn't expect it to. I believe this replaced a Carrier Tech 2000 from like the early 2000s. It was like a weather maker, and these replaced old train commercial units. Guess that'll wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.